Hello from Praia da Memória in Porto, Portugal. Beautiful and huge sandy beach that also has historical significance. If you can see the Obelisk over there, that's called the Memória Obelisk, and it dates from 1832. It was made for the honor of the landing on this very same beach from Pedro the Fourth, which actually led to liberating Portugal from the monarchy, I believe that it was before, and the regime. So it has a historical significance for Portugal. Quite huge beach and quite a lot of space to get your own spot, even in the summer months. I believe so, because it's huge, this space, and there are basically beaches one after another here on the coast of Porto. Today, on this winter day, 2nd of February 2024, it is 22 degrees Celsius in the air right now. So I feel so blessed that I was able to get such a great weather, because Porto doesn't usually have that much great weather during the winter. It usually rains. It's not the same climate as in Faro or Lisbon, which are on the south coast of Portugal. So I'm really happy to be here and to explore. This is day one out of 3 of my beach adventures here in Porto. I arrived this morning at 9 a.m. and I started beach exploring since 10. Now it is 3:30 p.m. so I have been exploring for 5.5 hours, and there will be 2.5 hours more of sunshine until the sun sets around 6. This is the 10th beach, and I guess it correlates to the name, a Memoria. It's a memorable name, a number 10. And this looks like an open sea over here, so let's see how strong the waves are. I see some strong waves in the distance. There are some rocks on both sides, but I think we will be able to manage. If you have been watching the previous episodes of today, I was battling a bit with the strong waves. It was very hard to get. In the water it's still 13.7 degrees Celsius, but it's quite good that in the air it's warm. So it's perfect day for beach exploring here in Porto, Portugal. Woo! Okay, that was a strong wave, to say the least. So let's watch the rest. Look at that. Look at that. It's incredible. Look at how the waves are building so fast, and they're so strong. And I can just use the time now, while they're small, to dive. Whew. Oh my god, it's so deep here. I need to go to the shore. Oh! Oh! Whew. Now that was interesting. I came into the wave and my camera got onto it, but I hope it's not injured my camera from the pebbles as well as myself. It was interesting. very interesting how I got into the wave. And yeah, this is actual beach adventures, right? When we have such adrenaline. Oh, my heart is beating so fast. Look at that. Oh my god, amazing. Whew. I will definitely memorize and cherish this memory from Praia da Memória here in Portugal. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.